She's got a grand baby on her knee, telling her stories of how life used to be. Don't rush, my love, take your time. The best lessons come from the climb.
Well, hello there, beautiful babes. Welcome in, welcome in. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is part of my fourth quarter getting it together. Getting it together in every aspect of my beauty room has been on my forehead. Okay, yes it has. So today I'm going to get my backdrop, as I stated in a previous video, looking cute, putting my makeup here, moving my essential oils to the other side of the beauty room. Let's get to it today. And thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. Come on, let's do this together. I appreciate you. If you got something that you need to get in order, get in line, hey, drop it down in the comments and get to it. Let's do this.
They said, slow down, your time's done. But I'm just getting started, hun. Got a fire burning under my skin. You can call it my second wind, my second wind. My second chance. I'm stepping out. I'm gonna dance. The years try to quiet my song, but baby, I'm still singing strong. But gray hair don't mean I'm through. It's just wisdom peeking through. Every season's got its glow, and I'm brighter than you'll ever know. Don't count me out, I'm counting. Feeling lighter than I've ever been. This heart still beats in rhythm and rhyme. Ain't nothing lost, just right on time. I got my second wind. Feeling young again. This ain't the end. This is where I begin. I used to fade when love walked in, made their joy my only win. But I've loved, don't mean a race. You can give and still hold your space. Now my heart beats side by side. Not in shadow, not in pride. Love without leaving, that's my way. I can give and still stay. I'm whole, I'm warm, I'm true. Loving me and loving you. a grandbaby on her knee, telling her stories of how life used to be. Don't rush, my love, take your time. The best lessons come from the climb. This is the legacy of her. Every laugh, every tear, every word carried through the one she raised. Echoes of her strength and praise. The legacy of her lives on, and every woman finds it in a song. She's seen the rain, she's known the sun.